Rivian ramp-up is underway, VW is out at a Russian plant, and a Vietnamese company is California dreaming. Good morning, welcome to First Shift. I'm Laura Harris, sitting in for Kristen Strakalitis. We begin this morning with that news from Rivian. After struggling to produce output, Rivian says it ramped up deliveries of vehicles in the second quarter. The EV maker delivered 4,467 vehicles. All were produced at its plant in Normal, Illinois. The company says output jumped 72% and is on target to meet its annual production target of 25,000 units. The Illinois plant produces the R1S SUV, the R1T truck, and a delivery van for Amazon.com. Amazon has an 18% stake in Rivian. The factory has an annual capacity of 150,000 vehicles. Rivian says it will increase that to 200,000 vehicles by next year, and is also building a second plant near Atlanta in 2025 as it expects demand to grow. Volkswagen is ending production at its Russian plant that produced VW and Skoda cars. They were being assembled under contract with Gaz Group. The factory, which is 430 kilometers northeast of Moscow, could not get enough EU-produced parts or critically important Ukrainian components. VW and Gaz signed their contract assembly deal in 2011. More than 400,000 VW Group vehicles were assembled at that plant. Gaz, which is under U.S. sanctions, says it will not close the plant, but is instead looking for options to fill it. Vietnamese automaker Vinfast is partnering with a Taiwanese battery startup to make 2 electric vehicles in the U.S. this year. The startup, Prologium, is working on solid-state EV battery technology that could significantly reduce EV production costs. Vinfast is investing tens of millions of dollars in Prologium. It also signed an agreement to secure battery supplies from Prologium for its next generation of vehicles. Vinfast will break ground this year on an electric vehicle assembly plant and battery manufacturing facility in North Carolina. Meanwhile, the company also says it will open its first U.S. showrooms in some California shopping centers next week. Vinfast says it wants 30 company-run retail locations in the state by the end of the year. The 5-year-old automaker has chosen 6 initial showroom sites, including San Diego and Santa Monica. The company's U.S. headquarters is in Los Angeles. Vinfast has been holding events around California, featuring its 2-row VF8 crossover now in development. Porsche drivers in Canada will now be able to buy insurance right from the company. The plan will be brokered by Aon. Porsche Canada says the customized insurance plan will allow drivers to personalize unique insurance solutions. The coverage ensures that the Porsche replacement parts will be used to repair vehicles where applicable, and that vehicles will be fixed by Porsche-trained techs at a brand-approved facility. If a new vehicle is a total loss or is stolen within 24 months of purchase, drivers will receive the original purchase price, not the depreciated value. That's all we have today for First Shift. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time.